Hi everybody. A lot of my students like to cite Wikipedia, so I'm just going to give you some advice on how to do this responsibly. So let's just click on Wikipedia. Now, over the years, this has actually become more and more reliable. However, I would not say that this should be your final go-to source. With all its positives, it is created by users around the world. Rather than Wikipedia, personally, I would go to Britannica, the online encyclopedia, as a starting point and possibly even a finishing point because they have lots of links at the bottom of their articles. But let's say you want to go to Wikipedia and you want to provide references for where you got your information. Okay, now I'm just going to go on a random article. Okay, I have no idea what that is. Looks like some Colombia. So this is something about the Coulter building, okay? So if you're doing a research project or you're writing an essay or whatever and you need to give a bibliography at the bottom or cite your sources, you do not just do this and just copy and paste the Wikipedia page. What you do is that you find the information that you're going to use first. Okay, let's say I want to use this information here. So it was founded in Medellin by Alejandro Echevarria, sorry for my Spanish accent, on October 22nd, 1907. Now, great. How do I know that this is indeed correct information? Well, next to it, you can see there is a number. And if you click on that number, it'll take you down to the references section, which is at the bottom of Wikipedia. Okay, so it's giving you this straight away, but rather than just quickly copying and pasting this, okay, you need to find the original source of where this came from. Okay, history of the company. It's currently archived. Okay, so it's in the Wayback Machine, but let's see what happens if I click on there. Okay, it's actually taking you to the page of the website itself. So whatever it is that you're looking at, fine, okay? Have a look. If you're researching just a company, well, I suppose their website will be relatively reliable, but don't forget some of the sources that are put in the bottom here, the references, could be highly biased. So you need to use your source reading skills as a historian to make sure that it is a neutral or unbiased representation of whatever it is that you're looking at. So that's my message to you. Do not just copy the bit at the top. Find the information, click on the number, and then have a look at the actual sources where it came from. Thank you.